else we got going here? What's that? Well, no boats on ramp yet. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what that is. It's a monstrosity. There'll be a lot of monstrosity boats. Now here's one of my favorites, right there. Nemo and its crew. How's that? Very nice. Then we got, I'm not sure what that is. It's got a head on it, some kind of an animal. And the shaker. It's a salt shaker maybe, I guess. And another multicolored monstrosity. Oh, I know there's my daughter's boat. Tia, Corey, Sophie, and Wommer. That's right, they got Wommer to jump in a boat with him. He's not as smart as he looks, is he? Oh, they're not going this round. They're going another round here. All right, we got some other boats here. What's this? The SS something, SSJ. This one looks like it's super tall. That's going to be a tippy boat. Oh, Nemo's already taking on water. They're dumping Nemo out already. They're going to start Nemo over again. We got to start Nemo all over again. Oh, just went under. Here we go. Spent too much time on the pad. They couldn't make it. We're going way down here in the corner. It's got a Michigan flag. What is it? I can't tell. That salt shaker boat's looking shaky, man. Another one, too long on the launch pad. The shaker boat's also looking pretty spooky. Oh, salt shaker's gonna fold in half. Salt shaker's gonna fold in half. They're over again. Another one under. Nemo swimming. Going the slow but steady route. They'll finish, maybe. There you go. Directional issues. Major directional issues right here. And Nemo went underwater. They went submarine. They're submarining away across. Another one halfway. That's upside down. They made it to shore. And here's the other one, the directionally issued boat. They may be finishing the second heat. Oh, they're doing one side at a time. I see how they're doing it. They only paddle on one side at a time. Hopeless.